Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can track image or text in under 2 minutes. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and now let's jump right into the video. So just drag the video onto the timeline, select it, and then go to the Fusion page. Here we have a lot of power here, alright? So here just go Control and plus space on your keyboard, and here write tracker, click on add, and then what we have to do is just hold shift so we can add this tracker to the media in and media in out, and then I'm gonna track in this video this guy. So I'm just gonna move it exactly where I want. I'm gonna track his head, you know, this part of this video. Okay, and that's what I'm gonna do. Now just click on this button to track forward, and then render completed, and then go back to the first track and then track reverse. Okay, render complete, and now tracker complete. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna drag this image. I want to track this image. I'm gonna show you how you can track text as well. I'm gonna grab text, and here just click on text. Here I'll write subscribe for more tutorials, you know, and then I'll just grab this, connect to the node, and here go to tracker, back tracker, click on operation, select batch move. Okay, match move, and I'm gonna go to the text, and I'm gonna move the text around here. Alright, and now we should have some magic. Let's see. And it's following the text. Now let's see if it's following our image. So now it is following, but the image is too large. So what we can do is just go here and transform node, add a transform node, and just connect this transform node to this. We see here output, input, and then output. Alright, and now click on transform and resize the image and move the image. Move the image where you want. Move this beautiful animal where you want. And here I'm gonna position this around here. Alright, and now let's see. And it's following. Okay, now you can move it exactly where you want, and it's working. So yeah, we added this transform node just so we can resize the image. That's all there is. I really hope, guys, you learned something. Make sure you subscribe for more. I really appreciate it, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.